Good morning students. In that last session we saw Cartesian product and sums based on Cartesian products. In this sessions we are going to see relations, the definition of relations and sum based on relations. Okay, what is relations? Let A and B be any two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B, satisfying some specified condition. A relation is nothing but a subset of A cross B. Now I explain this relation with one example. See here I take the set A is A comma B, then B 1 2 3. First we have to find Cartesian product A cross B. Already you know that how to find Cartesian product. We write the elements in ordered pair in the Cartesian product. So A cross B, we write A comma 1, A comma 2, then A comma 3, B comma 1, B comma 2, B comma 3. C is R1. Here I take R1 is a relation, that is A comma 2 and B comma 3, relation from A to B. Now we check R1 is relation from A to B. See here, what are the elements in R1? A comma 2 and B comma 3. So what is the definition of relation? If R1 is relation from A to B, R1 is a subset of A cross B. See here, the elements in R1, A comma 2 is also in A cross B, and the elements B comma 3 is in R1 is also in A cross B. See here, all the elements in R1 is also the elements in A cross B, such that see here R1 is a subset of A cross B, then R1 is a relation from A cross B. See, now here we know what is domain, codomain and range. What is domain? Domain of R1. Domain of R1 is nothing but set of all first element in the ordered pair. What is the first element in the ordered pair? A, B. This is the domain. See here, domain of R is equal to A comma B. That is set of all first element in the relation. Codomain is nothing but the set B, second set. Here A cross B. B is the second set, B is the codomain. Then range of R. See here, in this R1, the second element of R1 is a range. Here the second element is 2 and 3. So range is equal to 2 comma 3. Now we see the example 1.4. See, the question is A is 3, 4, 7, 8. The set A is 3, 4, 7, 8 and the set B is 1, 7, 10. Which of the following sets are relation from A to B? Here the three sums are given. See, first R1, what is given? 3, 7, 4, 7, 7, 10, 8, 1. Now we check R1 is relation from A to B. Before that, first we have to find the Cartesian product of A and B, that is A cross B. Already you know that how to find the Cartesian product. Yes, we write the elements in the Cartesian product in ordered pair. See, how to find? 3, 1, 3, 7, 3, 10. Then 4, 1, 4, 7, 4, 10. 7, 1, 7, 7, 7, 10. Then 8, 1, 8, 7, 8, 10. This is A cross B. Now we check R1 is a subset of A cross B. Then we say that, then we said R1 is a relation from A to B. See here, what is R1? 3, 7. The elements 3, 7 in R1 is also in A cross B. And the element 4, 7 in R1 also in A cross B. 7, 10 is also in A cross B. And the element in R1 8, 1 is also in A cross B. Here all the elements in R1 is also in A cross B. So R1 is a subset of A cross B. So if R1 is a subset of A cross B, then we say that R1 is a relation from A to B. Here R1 is a relation from A to B. Then the next sum, R2 is given 3, 1 and 4, 12. See here, what is the first element in R2? 3, 1. See here, also in 3, 1, A cross B. Here 4, 12. There is no element in 4, 12. See here, 4, 12 belongs to R2, but 4, 12 does not belongs to A cross B. Therefore, R2 is a not relation from A to B. That is, R2 is not a subset of A cross B. So, R2 is not a relation from A to B. Now, we see the third sum. The elements in R3, 3, 7, 4, 10, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 11, 8, 7 and 8, 10. See here, 7, 8 and 8, 11 is in R3, but there is no element 7, 8 and 8, 11 in A cross B. Therefore, 7, 8 belongs to R3 but does not belongs to A cross B. R3 is not a subset of A cross B. Therefore, R3 is not a relation from A to B. A to B. Next, the example 1.5. The arrow diagram shows a relationship between the two sets P and Q. Write the relation in set builder form and roster form. What is the domain and range of R? In that question, the arrow diagram is given. The set P is 5, 6, 7, 8 and the set Q is 3, 4 and 5. Now here, the 5 in the set P assigned with 3 in the set Q and 6 assigned with 4 and the element 7 assigned with the element 5. Now, from this arrow diagram, we write the set builder form of R. See here, what is the difference between 5 and 3? 5 minus 3 is 2, then 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. See here, now I take the elements in the set P is X. Then the elements in the Q is Y. See, what is the element here? X minus Y is equal to 2. For this Y come to this side, it comes plus Y. This 2 come to this side, it comes minus 2. That is, Y is equal to X minus 2. See here, now we see the set builder form. Set builder form X comma Y. The element in the set P and Q is in the form of X comma Y. That is, what is the condition? We have to find Y is equal to X minus 2 such that Y is equal to X minus 2. The element X belongs to the set P and the elements Y belongs to the set Q. Next, roster form. See the diagram. 5 assigned with 3, so we write 5 comma 3. 6 assigned with 4, so 6 comma 4. 7 assigned with 5, so we write 7 comma 5. This is the roster form. Next, here we have to find domain and range. Domain of R is nothing but the set of all first element in the ordered pair. See here, what are the first element? 5, 6, 7. This is domain. Then the range of R is nothing but the second element of the relation, that is ordered pair. See here, what is the second element? 3, 4, 5. So range of R is 3, 4, 5. Yes, now we are going to see exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2, the first sum is same for example 1.4. So you can try. Then we see the second sum. The set A is given 1, 2, 3, etc. 45. And R be the relation defined as is square of. Here R, the condition is given is square of on A. Write R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and range of R. See here, the set A is given. Now we write the elements in R is a subset of A cross A. A cross A oda we write the elements. The given condition is square of, or is given in a condition is square of. Here we have to find the elements of or is also is a subset of A cross A. Then find domain and range. See here, the set A is given 1 to etc 45. The relation is defined is a square of. இங்க என்ன கண்டிஷன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா is a square of. See here we write the elements in or. We take 1. What is the square of 1? 1 square is 1. Next we take the elements 2. What is the square of 2? 4. 2 square is 4. Next we take the elements 3. What is the 3 square? 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3, that is 9. 3 comma 9. Next we take the element 4. We find 4 square. 4 into 4, that is 16. Next we take the element 5 in set A. What is 5 square? 25. 5 5s are 25. Next we take the element 6, that is 6 square. 6 6 are 36. If you take 7, the value of 7 square is 49, but here the set is given up to 45. So here we won't take the element 7. See what is or? The square of 1 is 1, the square of 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16, 5 is 25, 6 is 36. This is the relation or. What is the condition? Is a square of. Now here we have to find domain of or. What is domain of or? Already I said. Yes, the first element in the relation, the first element in the ordered pair. What are the first element? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is domain. Range is nothing but the set of all second element in the ordered pair. What is the second element in the ordered pair? 2, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. This is range. Next, third sum. A relation or is given by the set x comma y such that here the condition is given y is equal to x plus 3. Then x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now determine the domain and range. Here the relation is given in the set builder form. Here we have to find the elements in the set or. See here, what is the condition given? Y is equal to x plus 3. Then the set x is given 0 to 5. First we take x value is 0, then we find the y value. You have to substitute the value of x here, that is 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Then if we take x value is 1, here 1 plus 3 is 4, the y value is 4. X value is, when we take the x value is 2, then the y value is 5. X 3, y is 6. If x value is 4, then the y value is 4 plus 3, 7. If we take x value is 5, then the value of y is 8. Here we writing the relation in ordered pair or is in ordered pair. The x value is 0. What is the y value? 3. So 0 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8. This is or. Now we have to find domain and range. Domain is nothing but the set of all first element in the ordered pair. See here, what are the first element? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is domain. Range. Range is nothing but the set of all second element in the ordered pair. So what are the elements? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3, 4. This is the range. Yes, now we see the fourth sum. Represent each of the given relations by an arrow diagram, a graph, a set in roster form wherever possible. See, the first sum is given x comma y such that x is equal to 2y, x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5 and y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, the set is given in set builder form. Here we represent these sets in arrow diagram, graph, and we write the set in the roster form. See here, what is the element in x? 2, 3, 4, 5 and the element in the set y 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the condition is given x is equal to 2y. Here we have to find the value of x. We substitute the y, value of y. First we take the first element from y, 1. We find the value of x. X is equal to 2 into 1, 2. Then we take 2. The value of x is 2 2s are 4. Next we take the element from y. Y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 2 into 3. What is this? 6. Then we take 4. Y is equal to 4. What is the value of x? 2 4s are 8. Yes. See here, now we represent in arrow diagram. Here the set x, this is the set y. The element in the set is 2, 3, 4, 5 and the element in the set y is 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, first if the value of x is 2, what is the value of y? X value is 2, then the y value is 1. So here this 2 assigned with 1. Then the x value is 4. What is the value of y? 2. Here the x value is 4, then the y value is 2. So this 4 assigned with 2. Then the value of x is 6. Here what is the value of y? 3. Here in that set x there is no 6, so we cannot assign the element. See, the x value is 8. What is the value of y? 4. Here there is no 8 in the set x. So this is the representation of the sets in the arrow diagram. Next, graph. Yes, we draw x axis and y axis. What is the set first one is, first order pair is 2, 1. See here, this is 2, 1 and 4, 2. We represent in graph. See here, first we find the point 2, 1. See, what is the x coordinate? 2. See, in x axis here 2 and the y coordinate is 1. So this is 2, 1. Then 4, 2. What is the x coordinate? 4 and the y coordinate is 2. For this 4, this 2, this is the point 4, 2. Next we write in roster form. Roster form is nothing but 2, 1 and 4, 2. This is the roster form. See, the fourth sum, second subdivision, represent the given relations by an arrow diagram, a graph, a set in roster form whereas possible. See, x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 3, then x comma y are natural number less than 10. The set is a natural number up to 9. The set y also the natural number less than 10. See here, see what is the set x? The natural number from 1 to 9, that is 1 to 9. And the set y is the natural number from 1 to 9. See, the condition is given. What is given? Y is equal to x plus 3. Here we have to find the y value. For substitute the x value. First we take x from 1. What is the y value? 1. Substitute this 1 for here x. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. X is equal to 3, substitute the x value for 3. 3 plus 3, 6. X is equal to 4, 7. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 8. X is equal to 6, y value is 9. See, we have to find up to x is equal to 9. What is the value of y? 12. See here, now we write in ordered pair. How to write? If the value of x is 1, what is the value of y? 4. If the value of x is 2, the value of y is 5. So 2 comma 5. Then 3 comma 6. 4 comma 7. Then the value of x is 5. The value of y is 8. Value of x is 6. Then the value of y is 9. Then the value of x is 7. The value of y is 10. But there is no 10 in y. So we cannot write in ordered pair. In the relation or. Okay. Yes. Now here we represent the set in arrow diagram. This is the set x. This is the set y. The elements in x is 1 to 9. And also the elements in y is 1 to 9. Here we find if the value of x is 1, then the value of y is 4. So for this one assign with 4, then 2 is 5. We assign the element 2 with 5 and the element 3 with 6, 4 with 7, 5 with 8, 6 with 9. Yes. Now we represent in graph. See here, what is the value? If x value is 1, assign with 4. Here the x value is 1 and the y value is 4. This is 1 comma 4. And the x value is 2. The y coordinate is 5. This is 2 comma 5. And the x coordinate is 3. Y coordinate is 6. Then the x coordinate is 4. Then the y coordinate is 7. That is 4 comma 7. This is. Then the x coordinate is 5 and the y coordinate is 8. This is 5 comma 8 and the x coordinate is 6 and the y coordinate is 9. This is 6 comma 9. Yes, next we see the roster form. See here we write the one assigned with 4, that is 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8 and 6 comma 9. Roster form is nothing but we write in ordered pair. Yes, now we see the exercise 1.2 fifth sum. A company has 4 categories of employees given by assistants A, clerks C, managers M and an executive officers E. The company provide rupees 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh as salaries to the people who work in the categories A, C, M and E respectively. If A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 were assistants, C1, C2, C3 and C4 were clerks. M1, M2, M3 were managers and E1 and E2 were executive officers. And if the relation OR is defined by X related to Y, where X is the salary given to a person Y, express the relation OR through an ordered pair and an arrow diagram. See here, the relation OR is defined by where X is the salary given to a person Y. Here we have to write the ordered pair salary to a person Y. See here, assistant given in the question A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. There are 5 assistants and 4 clerks C1, C2, C3, C4. Then the managers M1, M2, M3 and the executive officers E1 and E2. Now we write in ordered pair. See here, OR is defined. X is the salary given to a person Y. See here, the salary is 10,000 given to assistant 1. So 1000 comma 1, 10,000 comma 1, 10,000 comma 2, A2, then 10,000 comma A3, then 10,000 comma A4, 10,000 comma A5. Then the salary 25,000 is given by clerks C1. Then how many clerks? 4 clerks. So 25,000 comma C2, 25,000 comma C4, 3, 25,000 comma C4. Here the managers, there are 3 managers, the salary is 50,000. So here we write in order pair 50,000 comma M1, 50,000 comma M2, 50,000 comma M3. Then the executive officer 2, that is 1 lakh. The salary of executive officer is 1 lakh comma E1, then 1 lakh comma E2. This is the ordered pair. X is the salary given to a person Y. Now we represent in arrow diagram. See here, this 10,000 salary is given to A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and the 25,000 salary is given to C1, C2, C3, C4, and the 50,000 salary is given to managers M1, M2, M3, and the salary 1 lakh is given to executive officers E1 and E2. This is an arrow diagram. Yes, exercise 1.2 is over. Next class we will see functions and the sums based on functions. Thank you, students.